it's Julia. I'm still working on some product for my upcoming summer shop. Be opening in a couple weeks. It's in with my local flea market. And most of my things are handmade or things that I embellish somewhat. And this is going to be one of those things. It's a hooded zippered sweatshirt, quite heavy in weight. This is an Enza brand. The first time that I have bought these, I think I have 5 of them to make in different sizes. What I really like about it is the contrasting drawstring hood, and I will probably decorate this somewhat. And it also has a very chunky zipper, and I'm going to probably do something with the pull tab or the zipper pull. It's very heavyweight, which I was thinking it was more of a lighter weight, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine for those cool summer evenings on the Minnesota lakes, and also go into fall. So what I thought I would do is this is going to be a super simple, just a little bit of a updo on this sweatshirt. Going to add some embellishment just with an applique with this beautiful bright colored fabric. It does have some of the black in it, kind of why I chose it. Just pick this up. I don't know. It may have been a while ago. I will list the information down below for you in case it's still available. But anyway, so this is what I'm working with. Then I have this bright colored trim, and I thought I would add some of that as well. Love this print on these big circles, and I've been kind of going back and forth on what to do. One of the things that I was thinking about is it has these circles. Thinking about maybe taking a circle, cutting it, and have it half the circle on one side of the zipper and half the circle on the other side of the zipper. Or I might just add just a rectangle of it on each side above the pockets and add some trim to it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I have beautiful fabric to work with and beautiful trim, so I just thought it would be fun to add some color to this black sweatshirt. You could wear almost any colored t-shirt underneath it. There's just got a lot of colors going on. So I'm going to be working on this, and I'm just going to take you along for the ride. I did iron some Heat and Bond Light, which is a paperback adhesive on the back side of my circles. And I'm going to cut them in half. This one is a little off-centered, so this isn't exactly right in the center. But I am going to fold it anyway and just get pretty much a circle out of it. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on either side of this zipper. Just going to remove that paper. You can't see it, but there is a stitching line right here, and I'm going to butt these up to that stitching line. And then for my trim, I think I might just put a piece right above the pocket on either side of this zipper. Yeah, I think I'm going to like that. So that's going to go right above each side of the zipper. I'm going to iron these in place. I'm going to put a little bit of this just through that zipper pull. Don't know if I like that yellow part of it though. I might dig in and just get more of that purple color. Yeah, that's going to be kind of cool, I think. I'm just going to tie this in a knot. I thought about putting some fabric on the bottom of these, but I don't think I'm going to. I think it's enough with this and with the embellishment or the trim above the pockets. My next step on this is taking this to my sewing machine. I'm going to use a multicolored thread, and I'm going to put a lot of stitches in this. I'm going to use free motion stitching. I think I'm going to do a real loopy stitch around this, and then maybe go inside here and do some doodling on some of these flowers. I'll take you to my sewing machine with me so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to grab my thread first and decide which thread to use, and I'll show that to you. This is the thread that I've chosen. It does show up really well on this black. So I think that's going to be fun. It has some of the same colors. This is a Suology, and it is 100% cotton. I don't think it really says the weight on it, but yeah, that's what I think I'm going to use. And then in my bobbin thread, I'll probably use a black colored. I don't think I have bobbin black thread. I might just have to use an all-purpose black thread in the bobbin. But I'm going to get set up to my sewing machine, and you'll see me there. I did find my black bobbin thread. So I have my bobbin thread in the bobbin. I will link this down below for you. The one I purchased was from Amazon, and it came with both a black and a white spool. There's a ton of thread on these. It is a little bit finer, and it doesn't seem to have as much lint as some of the other threads. So I like it in my bobbin. It seems to work really well for free motion stitching, and also if you do decorative stitching. I would not use this for for quilting or for construction, but for any embellishing and that type of thing, it does work great. So that's in my bobbin thread, and I've got my decorative thread on the top. I have my feed dogs dropped, and I have my free motion foot on. So I'm going to be doing all the movement on this. I think I'm going to go around this on the outside first with just a loopy stitch. And then I'm going to go inside and do some doodling on the inside around these flowers. I just do a back and forth movement right at the beginning, and then you can just clip your thread. I'm going to add the trim now. This is going to be right above the pocket. And I'm going to add this with my free motion stitching as well. It's just going to kind of hop over this. I'm going to go back and forth, almost like a zigzag. But it's, it's set as a straight stitch. I'm just doing the movement, and it's just going to go back and forth. This is considered a darning foot, which is a free motion foot. It does have a spring on it right here, and it seems to adjust better than my other foot that came with my machine. My other free motion foot is more for quilting, like if you're just doing a sandwich. I'll show it to you here. I got it. Digging it out of my accessory case here. Yeah, it looks like this, and this is the quilting foot that came with my machine. And this is the darning foot. And the darning foot hops or will adjust for different, just different layers. When you're darning like let's say a pair of jeans or something with a couple different patches on it, it's going to adjust for the different layers, which is wonderful if to put trim on, that type of thing, because it's going to adjust for that. Whereas this is more set, and it does have a spring on it, and you can set this. So if your sandwich is a little bit higher, you can adjust this foot so that you can still move it really well. But it doesn't hop, or you know, this, because your quilting sandwich is pretty much smooth and one layer. Hope that makes sense. But I usually use this darning foot for anything that if I'm putting any trim or anything on. This is about it. I'm going to finish up the other side, and then I'll show you the end, what it looks like at the end. And then of course I'll share some pictures with you. I just finished up. This was a really quick project this week. I really like the bright colors on it. I think it turned out really well. The trim is really fun, the zipper pull. The inside too, you can really see those stitches. This is a heftier fleece, so it almost looks like a quilted look on the back side. I hope you enjoyed this, everybody. And for all you mamas out there, I hope you have a wonderful Mother's Day and enjoy your weekend. Hope you have a chance to create. Bye for now.